Hey, Motorman here. What I got for you now is a 2009 Sportster Low. If you're not familiar with the Sportsters and heard about the vibration, etc., back in 2004, they went to a rubber-mounted motor. They are extremely smooth, up to about 75 miles an hour. They have a wide-range gearbox, which makes them highway ready. Plenty of power. The low model is, of course, for shorter riders. There is very few people who wouldn't be able to flat-foot this motorcycle. I think the seat height is somewhere around 24.5 inches. It is a solo seat. This is a perfect bike for a new rider that wants something to keep up with the big bikes. It certainly will do that. The bike has only 2,000 miles on it. We originally purchased this bike to use as a training bike for people who came from out of state and wanted to rent one of our bikes. Unfortunately, that really never worked out. I think we rented it 2 or 3 times. Most people wanted a Road King or a Road Glide or heavyweight tourer to rent, so it's pretty much been in the garage most of the time. It has had an oil change. The extras on this bike is the crash guards. That goes with the deal. We also have a windshield for the bike. And of course it's black in color. And you can get this bike for $4,400. It's like getting a brand new Sportster for $4,400. If you're looking for just an extra bike or an around town bike or something for, a lady who's just starting to ride or a person under 5'4", this is the perfect bike for them. As I said, plenty of power. It'll keep up with all the big bikes. And throw some saddlebags on it, and you can actually do some touring with this bike. I know up north you're getting all kinds of snow and cold weather here in Florida. Right now it's about 80 degrees. And if you wanted to come down, I wouldn't suggest you ride this bike up to, say, New York this time of year. But it is more than capable of the ride. And once again, 2,000 miles, $4,400, and it's yours. You can give us a call at 866-868-7433 for any more information that you might need. Of course, we do have the title in hand, so it's ready to go. A couple of months back, I put a 2011 Electric Glide on YouTube. And sold in about 2 hours, so this is your chance. If you'd like to get a practically new Harley, 2009, 2,000 miles for $4,400, give me a call. You can email me at motorman1857@yahoo.com.